Welcome to HWM and welcome to this 2017 DB11 V12 Launch Edition Coupe. Covering 6,200 miles from new and with one owner, this vehicle is available on the Aston Martin Timeless scheme or through our website on hwmastonmartin.co.uk. So this particular car is specified in Scintilla silver, but the rest of the specification is pretty simple and quite tasteful. I had a hand in specifying this vehicle at DB11 launch back in 2016. So we have the satin silver exterior package, which is your satin chrome bonnet vents. Being a launch edition, you had that as part of the spec. You've got the bright finish grille, and then around the side and the back we have the side strakes and also the tailpipes in a silver finish. The overall condition of this vehicle for 6,200 miles is pretty good. We don't really have any marks on the front of the car, and also running down the sides and the back as well. It has been very well looked after during its time. We also have these lovely 20-inch directional gloss black and diamond turned wheels with the black brake calipers hidden behind. And also you have the lower black body pack, but that was a standard feature that you could have on launch edition at that time. There were no choices on rear lights on DB11 back in 2017, so we have the red rear lights on the back of here, and also, as I was saying, you have the chrome tailpipes to match with the rest of the detail that you have on the outside of the vehicle. So on the interior of this vehicle, again, as I say, I know the specification of this car personally. So we have the ivory leather on the seats. So this was a single tone environment, so it has a full ivory leather interior. We also have a phantom grey contrast stitch, not just on the seat and on the headrest logos, but also we have the contrast welting on the seats as well. This also had the heavyweight phantom grey carpet in the car as well, so quite unusual. A lot of people go for black carpets, but this car's got a dark charcoal or a grey finished carpet. And part of the launch edition you had the B&O stereo system, but we have the satin silver jewellery package, which is your speaker covers for your B&O, your paddles, steering wheel ring buttons and switches, and also on the centre column. Touchpad control, which was a standard feature on DB11 at that time. And then we also have the lovely satin finish chopped carbon trim veneer. All your memory seats and your lumbar support were standard features of DB11 and still are, and 360 surround cameras and also your glass switches and all your sort of technology features were standard on DB11, particularly the launch edition came with everything inclusive in the price at that time. Something that is worth noting is if you are interested in this vehicle, Apple CarPlay will be available to be fitted to the infotainment. So just to aid with a bit of extra technology on the car, you can order that through ourselves bespoke for this vehicle, and hopefully you can plug your phone in and use whatever applications that you need for that time. Thank you very much.